So today we are replacing the front door. The idea started a few months ago. We went online, contacted about 3 reputable companies from our area to get an estimate. And the estimates were kind of on the high side, which I thought. You could never get breakdown what the door would cost, what the labor cost itself. So we decided to become general contractor, which means we went out and bought the door and hired guys to install it. So we'll see if the savings were worth it, and we'll see what kind of job they do. So some of the stuff I was patching a few years ago, but obviously the dry rot has taken its toll, and the door is basically sinking to some degree. There is clearly a movement, a separation. So we decided to replace this whole thing. It's not just the door, it's going to be those 2 side lights and the top piece as well, because there's a rot. There's some dry rot right here, so this part has to be replaced, and some other trim work and whatnot. So we'll see what the guys do. In the course of my real estate career, I've done this type of work many years, but as I get older, I'm not so inclined to do this kind of. It's just this type of door probably weighs in the neighborhood of 250-300 pounds, and my wife and I can't handle that much weight and do this. So it's not a rocket science. It's something that it's built by men and for men, so it shouldn't be a problem. So we'll see how it turns out. They should be coming pretty soon. I'm guessing about half day's work, maybe 4 hours. You'll be surprised how far the estimates went. The mid-range was about $6,500, including labor and the material, meaning the door. But again, I could never get them to pin down how much was the labor and how much is the door. Now I'm a capitalist myself, and I believe everybody should make a profit whatever they produce, a quality output. But I kind of need to know what something costs before I jump on it. So our first estimates were from the days of just before COVID-19. The economy was strong, and everybody was spinning their wheels, working, being busy and whatnot. So maybe some of those estimates reflect the market condition at the time. So like I said, $6,500 was about an average estimate, and I knew I could do better. We did call another company. I don't know if I should use the name, but we saw the ad on television. They were advertising free installation. Said, okay, I gotta see what this is all about. Called them up. The guy showed up. It was a standard sales pitch about spend an hour here, kind of going over. Didn't have much to show me really. It was more of a talk. The estimate for the door, just the door, was $11,800. Now I may be crazy, but I'm not stupid. So I said, all right, what's the catch here? Now, of course, if I signed the check on the spot, he would have given me 20% off, which still makes it $9,000 door. And I know, even being made in the United States, the door cannot cost. There's nothing gold plated here. There's no diamonds or nothing. It's wood or metal and glass, and that's about it. So I said, yeah, great, thanks for coming. I knew that was a kind of crazy thing, but so anyway, so from anywhere from almost $12,000. Again, remember, labor was free. So, but I don't like free stuff, so didn't get into that one. But so basically, $6,500 was the cost in my area to hire professional door company or people that so-called specialize in these type of things. And I just thought that may be a little bit high. And I said, well, I think I can do better. So we'll see at the end of this if that was the right call. But when door is installed, I'm gonna have to do the painting myself. They're gonna take off the screen door, the burgundy screen door, glass door, which we're gonna reinstall. We kind of like that. We like daylight, lots of light. So we'll see what they do. So stay tuned. So here we are, 5 hours later. Project is completed. 2 guys just left and they've done an awesome job. Really happy with the project. Took about an hour longer than I projected, mainly because we had some wood damage. Ants and water moisture kind of caused some issues in the corner of the house, so they had to do some rebuilding and whatnot. But otherwise, happy with the project. They reinstalled our glass screen door and everything else, the trim work and caulked all around, insulated well. So very happy with the project, and project cost comes to about $3,400 altogether, which is about half what my estimates were with so-called professional window installation companies or whatever. So great job, very happy with it. Thanks for watching.